Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news about the upcoming Google Pixel 10 series. And if you're into mobile videography or just love smooth, high-quality video, you're going to want to hear this. So let's dive right in. A fresh new leak has revealed something major about the Pixel 10 series, and it's all about video performance. According to sources from Android headlines, the Pixel 10 is expected to feature a massive upgrade in image stabilization. And, get this, it's being compared to using a DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal. Without even needing a gimbal. Yes, you heard that right. The new stabilization tech in the Pixel 10 could make your videos look like they were shot with professional gear, but it all happens inside the phone. No extra hardware required. Now, we all know that Pixel phones have always been top tier when it comes to photography. Google's computational photography is second to none, and Pixel devices regularly produce some of the best photos you can get on a smartphone. But if there's been one area where Pixels usually lag behind iPhones, it's video. iPhones have long held the crown for video recording, especially when it comes to stabilization, detail, and dynamic range. But this new leak suggests that Google is finally catching up, maybe even overtaking Apple in some areas. Here's what we know. The Pixel 10's new image stabilization will be available across the entire lineup. That includes the regular Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL, and even the upcoming foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold. So no matter which model you choose, you're getting that same next-level video capability. To put things in perspective, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is a smartphone gimbal that's designed to physically stabilize your phone as you shoot, removing jitters and keeping your footage silky smooth. If the Pixel 10 can achieve that level of smoothness with software and internal hardware alone, it would be a huge breakthrough. And don't forget, Google already has Video Boost on its current Pixel phones, which enhances video processing and quality. Combine that with this new stabilization system, and we might be looking at the best video phone ever made by Google. Now, this isn't the first leak about the Pixel 10 series. Just a few hours ago, we saw leaks showing the prototype device and even its default sounds. A few weeks back, a leaked storyboard from an upcoming ad gave us a look at the Pixel 10 Pro design. And if all these leaks are accurate, the Pixel 10 is shaping up to be something special. There's also talk that Google might announce the Pixel 10 series on August 13th, which is earlier than the usual October release window. This means we could see the Pixel 10 hit the market before the Galaxy S25 and the iPhone 16, giving Google a head start in the flagship phone race this year. Let's talk a bit about the competition. The Pixel 10 will be going up against Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Apple's iPhone 16, and possibly even the iPhone 17 later on. So the pressure is on for Google to bring something really impressive to the table. If this gimbal-like video stabilization turns out to be real, it could give Google the edge it needs in the video department. And with video content becoming more and more popular, whether it's vlogging, social media reels, or just capturing memories, having top-notch video features on your phone is more important than ever. Honestly, this leak makes me really excited about the Pixel 10 series. It feels like Google isn't just playing catch-up anymore. They're pushing boundaries, especially when it comes to the camera experience. Of course, this is still a leak, so we'll have to wait and see how accurate it turns out to be. But if it's true, we're looking at a huge leap forward for smartphone videography, and Pixel 10 could be the go-to phone for creators and casual users alike who want amazing video without needing extra gear. So, what do you think? Could the Pixel 10 be the video king of 2025? Will this new stabilization system finally close the gap between Pixel and iPhone video? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you all think about this. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss the latest tech updates, leaks, and deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.